In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-powered lead qualification and outreach system in n8n. Imagine this. Someone fills out your contact form and within seconds, their profile is verified. An AI scores the lead from 1 to 10. High-quality prospects get a personalized email, and everything is logged neatly in Google Sheets. No copy-paste, no guesswork, just a clean, automated pipeline. Here's the big picture. This workflow collects lead data, enriches and verifies it with Apollo, uses AI to score quality, writes a personalized email when the score is 6 or higher, sends that email through Gmail, and saves every detail to a Google Sheet. Think of it as a smart digital sales assistant that runs 24/7. There are 3 ways the workflow can start. First, a form trigger inside n8n that captures a full name, email address, phone number, and LinkedIn profile URL, like a front desk receptionist collecting details. Second, a webhook trigger that lets external sites or apps push leads into n8n, a side entrance for other systems. Third, a Google Sheets trigger that fires when a new row is added, perfect if someone is logging leads manually. No matter which one starts it, all paths flow into the same HTTP request node. That HTTP request sends the name, email, phone, and LinkedIn URL to Apollo's People Match API. Apollo returns verified email, job title, company, and employment history. Instead of trusting raw form input, you now have validated professional data, like running a quick background check. Next, an AI agent scores the lead. Powered by a Grok chat model, it evaluates industry match and job title match, 5 points each, and returns a score from 1 to 10. A CTO at a relevant company will rank high. An unrelated intern will rank low. And if node, then makes the call. If the score is 6 or higher, continue. If not, stop. This saves time and ensures only quality leads get outreach. Qualified leads move to a second AI agent that writes the email. Using the enriched Apollo data, it creates a tailored subject and message. A structured output. Parser cleans the result so the subject and body are formatted properly, avoiding odd spacing or extra text. Gmail then sends the message to the verified email automatically, and a Google Sheets node appends a new row with the key details. This becomes your live, lightweight CRM. In short, lead enters, Apollo verifies, AI scores, qualified leads get a personalized email, and everything is saved. This is ideal for agencies, SaaS teams, consultants, and founders who want filtered, personalized, and scalable outreach. You now know what each node does, why it exists, and how AI elevates the entire automation. This isn't just automation, it's intelligent automation,